Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Hannah States. Imagine having intern at Niti Aayog in your resume. It instantly makes you stand out at your job, your higher studies, or even if you're preparing for your UPSC examinations. So today I'll give you the complete guide on how to apply for this prestigious internship. From eligibility, documents required, application process, and tips to get selected, everything that you need to hear is in this video. So watch this video fully so that you can also bag an internship at Niti Aayog, right? So without any delay, let's get into the video. So quickly let us see what is this Niti Aayog internship is. Niti Aayog internship scheme is a government scheme that allows the students to work directly with the government of India's premier think tank. So basically the duration of this internship is from 6 weeks to 6 months, and this is totally an unpaid internship, but you will get a certificate which is extremely valuable to grow in your career. Now let's see what are all the eligibilities to apply for this internship. Any UGC or AICTE recognized college students can definitely apply for this. And if you are studying in your UG course, you should have completed at least your second year or fourth semester before applying for this internship. Also, you should have scored 80 percentile in your class 12, or else if you're doing your PG or PhD, you should have completed your first year or your second semester. Also, you should have maintained 70 percentile marks in your graduation. Recent graduates can also apply, but the condition is you should have obtained 70% marks in your graduation, plus the duration between the declaration of your results and the desired month of internship should not exceed 6 months. For example, if you want to start your internship by June, you can apply for the internship beginning till the month of December. So basically there should not be more than 6 month gap between your graduation and the internship. And then the duration and attendance rules. As already told, the duration of this internship ranges between a minimum of 6 weeks to the maximum of 6 months. And coming to the attendance part, you should maintain 75% attendance to receive your internship certificate. If you don't maintain 75%, then you will not receive. Also, you need to bring your own laptop. Niti Aayog will only provide you the workspace and internet, so it is your responsibility to bring your own laptop. Also, this is an offline internship which is in Delhi. And coming to the important part, when and how to apply. You can apply for this internship only through their online portal, which is Niti Aayog internship portal. And this form opens only at the beginning of every month, which is 1st to 10th of every month. One thing that you have to note here is you must apply for the internship at least 2 to 6 months prior to your desired internship period. Which means if you want to start your internship by November 2025, you must apply for the internship by September 10, 2025. Hope you understand this. You can apply for any one of these categories based on your interest. There are various sectors like economics, governance, education, health, and many more. So you can apply to any one of these at a time. So what are all the documents required? You need a resume or CV, and then a bona fide certificate from your college or your college ID card, and then your latest mark sheets. And the fourth one is you should have your passport size photo and your basic ID proofs like Aadhaar card, PAN card. And final one is SOP, which means statement of purpose. This is entirely optional. So this is nothing but a short note about why do you want this internship and what will be your contributions and which one is your area of interest. So a few paragraphs about this information is SOP. If you want to stand out from the rest of them, then obviously you can attach this. Also, you will need one more document, which is no objection certificate from your college. Let me tell you quickly how to apply for this step by step so that you don't need to confuse, right? Visit Niti Aayog internship portal, click on apply online, and there fill the form with your personal details, and most importantly double check everything and then submit, and then save the application or reference number. Then you can track the status of your application anytime under the check status tab on the portal. Once you have done all these process, then comes the selection and joining process, right? Obviously your application will be forwarded to the Niti Aayog divisions and they will review it. If you got shortlisted, obviously you'll get an email or portal update regarding your joining instructions. At the time of your joining, They might ask you for original documents for verifications. And this is all about the selection and joining process, completion and certificate. Once you successfully completed your internship with Niti Aayog, you will get a certificate of completion from the Niti Aayog, which is recognized by both the government sector and corporate sector. And this is extremely valuable for you to grow in your career. So yes, we are almost at the end of the video. So it is tip time, guys. So the first tip is have a strong SOP. As I already mentioned, SOP is not mandatory. You can attach it in your resume as an optional thing. But if you are attaching SOP on your resume, do mention about one problem in India that you want to work on and how your skills will help to solve those problems. Also make sure you mention these contents in your SOP. And the second tip is highlight your projects. If you have worked on any projects or research papers, then obviously you have to highlight that. And the third tip is plan timing carefully. Do not apply for the internship during your exam seasons because who even wants their exams and internship to happen at the same time, right? So don't do those mistakes. And the most important tip is cold mailing. You can find the official's mail ID through Who's Who page in the Niti Aayog website, also through LinkedIn. If you don't know much about cold mailing, let me know in the comments. I'll post a video on that too. Yes, I hope this helps most of you all, and if you find it very interesting and informative, then do not forget to subscribe my channels for more such informations and videos. Also, do not forget to like, share and comment in this video. Also, if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comments. Let's discuss there. Yeah, see you in the next videos. Bye bye.